How to find your Epic's game security code. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we'll be discussing about finding your Epic's game security code. So first of all, start by launching the Epic's game app or logging into your Epic's game account on the web version. And once you're logged in, navigate to the top right corner of the screen and click on the account user icon. From the drop-down menu, go ahead and click on account that is just below the equipments option. After you click on it, you will be taken to the page of account settings. Among these various options, locate password and security and click on it. Also scroll down in this page, then locate two-factor authentication. So two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your account, requiring a security code each time when you sign in. So you can use an authenticator app or your email address or your linked phone number to obtain this code. Depending on your preference, you will receive the security code either in your email or through the SMS. Ensure to check out the chosen method for your account to retrieve the security code. And so this is how you can find your Epic's game security code. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.